Hello friends, today we learn how to make a power hacksaw machine easy at home. For making this project we need some components: 2 piece of 4 by 1 inch channel, 1 piece length is 18 inch and second is 6 inch, 2 piece of 0.5 by 0.5 inch channel, 1 piece length is 2 foot and second is 8 inch. 2 piece of 2 by 2 inch angle iron, both length sizes is 3.5 inch. 6 inch nut bolt, hacksaw cutter, 10 inch rolling channel, old drill machine motor, round connector, you can get it from old juicer jug, some screws and connector, 7 inch washing machine wheel, screwdriver and drill. Now start to make. Take 6 inch channel length and cut a round hole for adjusting drill motor. Like this. Now adjust it on large piece of channel, like this. Now open rolling channel and connect one side with hacksaw cutter. Like this. And second side connect with 2 foot iron channel, like this. Now adjust this set with previous set. Like this. Now adjust drill machine on 6 inch channel, like this. Now fit 2 inch nut bolt on wheel, like this. Now adjust connector on drill motor and adjust wheel for rotating, like this. Now connect 8 inch channel piece with wheel and hacksaw cutter, like this. Now take 2 piece of angle iron and make vise for picking. And finally adjust this vise on 18 inch channel piece, like this. Project is ready for your test. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, so please tell in comments. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.